In this video we will show you how to fix your iPhone 12 that has no internet connection even if it's connected to the Wi-Fi network. When it comes to connection-related problems, you can always expect them to be minor as long as there are no hardware issues with your phone and your network device. So if you're one of the iPhone 12 users that has no internet connection for some reason, here's what you should do. First solution, make sure it's connected to your own network. If you've lost your internet connection without apparent reason or cause, it's possible that your iPhone got disconnected from the network, or it may have automatically connected to a network you previously used. Simply open Settings, tap Wi-Fi and then try to see if it's connected to your own network. You may also try disabling Wi-Fi for a few seconds and then re-enable it. If you're sure your iPhone is connected to your network and yet it doesn't have a connection, move on to the next solution. Second solution, force restart your iPhone. The next thing you have to do is refresh your iPhone's memory and reload all core services. You can do so by doing the force restart. It's possible that such a problem is caused by a minor glitch in the system or one of the services crashed. The force restart has been proven effective in fixing issues like this. Here's how to do it. Quickly press and release the volume up and then the volume down buttons. Immediately after that, press and hold the power key for 10 seconds. This will trigger your iPhone to shut down and power back up. Once the Apple logo shows, release the power key and wait until the boot process is finished. After the restart is complete, try to see if your iPhone 12 can now connect to the internet. Third solution, restart your network device. At this point, if your iPhone is still not having a good internet connection, then it's possible that your network device needs to be refreshed as well. There are times when it fails to broadcast the signal properly. Here's how you do it. Unplug the router from the wall outlet or simply disconnect the power cord from the main unit. Leave it without power for a minute or two. After that, plug it back into the outlet or reconnect the power cord. Wait for the device to broadcast the signal and then let your iPhone 12 reconnect to it. With the network refreshed on both your phone and router, the problem should be fixed. If not, then move on to the next solution. Fourth solution, reset the network settings. After the previous solutions and your iPhone is still having a connection problem, then it's time to reset all of its wireless services. This will bring its network configuration back to its default values, but you don't have to worry about your files as nothing will be deleted. Here's how. From the home screen, tap Settings, tap General. Then, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and then touch Reset. Then, touch Reset Network Settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset Network Settings at the bottom of the screen. Your iPhone will reboot after this. Once it has finished rebooting, try to see if the problem is fixed. Fifth solution, factory reset your iPhone. A reset will be able to fix network issues including this problem, but make sure to create a backup of your important files and data because they will be deleted and you may not be able to retrieve them. When ready, follow these steps. From the home screen, tap Settings, Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed. Now enter your Apple ID password and then tap Erase to proceed with the reset. Wait until your iPhone has finished the reset and then set it up as a new device. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.